So how to add your Tesco Clubcard to Apple Wallet. So to add your Tesco Clubcard to Apple Wallet, the first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't done so already, is you're going to need to download the Tesco app. So I'll leave a link below for it in the description. Then once you've downloaded the Tesco app, you just want to go ahead and sign into your account. And then once you've signed into your Tesco account, you should come across a dashboard which looks like this. And then once you're on this page, you just want to go ahead and select Authenticate your Clubcard. Then once you've done that, click Scan Clubcard, and then it'll open you up to this page here, which will bring up your Clubcard. So to add it to your Apple Wallet, you just want to select Add to Apple Wallet. And then once you've done that, you'll want to select Add right at the top. And then once you've done that, it's now added to your Apple Wallet. So if you go ahead and bring your Apple Wallet up, you will then see your Clubcard right in your Apple Wallet, making it easier for Tesco transactions going forward. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.